Hey everybody, Brian here from Android Coliseum. I'm going to show you some of the new features we have in the Pixel 8 for editing. So here's a picture of me. I did it in portrait mode on a thing. So we always know that you can just go into the settings here to edit. And I can go into tools and I can say, let's magic erase somebody out of there. Get rid of that person. Gone. Let's get rid of Donnie. Gone. Not too bad. I know my Pixel 7 Pro was a little bit faster. Brooke is gone. Now, this is not perfect, right? But I mean, pretty cool. It can do that kind of stuff. Like if I'd done that instead of camouflage, I'd done these camouflage. Just kind of get rid of them a little, fades them more to the background. But let's play around with the new features. So I'm going to say done. Whoops. Probably should have said undo. But let's go and use this new feature here. Now, you can't use the magic editor with Discord any changes. It's going to have to work from its raw information. So here's the normal information, and then we want to say, let's take that Donnie out there this time. All right, and let's say I want to erase him. Now this is where it does AI magic to try to figure out what's the best way to replace him. This is slow. At least on the 8, I'm finding it pretty slow. I don't know whether on the 8 Pro would be better, but that is way better in removing Donnie than it did in the previous example. And it gives you some scenarios of which ones looks better. And I think that one looks better, right? Now the other thing that's kind of neat is you can do not just erase, let's say me. Now this is where you can just long press me and I can move me around. And I can make myself bigger. Maybe I want to move myself more to the center. A little bit bigger. See what that does. And again, this can be a little bit long now. Is that just because, the 8 Pro would have more on board and this doesn't, but still pretty fun. Still generating. There we go. So it's done some work in the background there. Still some work in the background of somebody. Nothing perfect, but pretty good. Pretty neat. And you can start seeing how this might be super useful in certain scenarios. That's just what I wanted to show you today. We'll have a full review of the full phone in the next little bit. If you have any questions, shoot away.